Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. It's good to see you guys again. And apologies again for my delay in releasing videos. This is not by any means, kind of a video, a long in-depth video. I will explain, guys, what's going on, but there's a pretty serious situation going on with me personally at the moment. I'll explain everything soon, but just understand that this does have repercussions on the channel and how things are moving forward here. I will explain once things go public on my end, but just for now, I want to share my experience so far with this Galaxy Fold. I've been using this now since the beginning of, well, I guess it's been almost a week at this point with this Galaxy Fold, and just want to share my thoughts with it. As you can see, I've been using it with this case, and you can see the little fold button there. And I got to tell you guys, this phone has been pretty incredible. I didn't expect I would like it as much as I do, and being able to just be in an app and then just open this up. This has become a very kind of normal thing for me now, and I didn't think I would enjoy it. I was at an event earlier today, and I actually found a guy who was using a Galaxy Fold as well, and he looked at me, he was like, "You're using one too?" I was like, "Yes." And I was showing this device to a bunch of people, and they were just so impressed by it. I think it is one of those devices that you really just have to see in person. And as you close it, let me show you so you can kind of see what does that look like. You can see the display gets a bit bright there, but it works fine. And it's actually a lot more durable than I give it credit for. The shots I've taken on it also have been pretty good. I even took with some of my colleagues. It looks pretty good with the selfies, but more importantly with the nighttime shots. Look at that. I mean, those are some really great shots. So display wise, that's the other thing. I've just enjoyed using this display, but I think the main thing has been this front display. This cover display has been really good. I didn't expect I would like it as much. Now, what are the things I don't like about it so far? The fingerprint scanner is annoying. I really should set up Face ID, but the side fingerprint scanner can be very annoying to place. And the other thing that's a little bit annoying also, it's just a bit cumbersome. Like, it is a bit thick at 15.5 millimeters, can be a bit cumbersome at times. But look, in terms of design, display, look, this is definitely, it is a thick phone, but once it unfolds, it's a lot thinner. And here's the crazy part, guys. I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. I typically have my main SIM card in the iPhone. And as of right now, this main SIM has been in this Galaxy Fold for the entire week, and I have zero desire to switch it back to the iPhone. This has been my main phone for the past week, and I have no desire to use the iPhone right now over a Samsung phone. I never imagined that would be the case, but right now, Samsung is winning with this device for me. It represents the future, and not just that, everywhere I go, people ask me about this phone. Everywhere they turn, they're just like, I want to see this. It's a head turner. It is a conversation starter, and it is something that is just really incredible as a tech lover to be able to share with people. I feel like I'm teaching people about technology when I show them this phone. And that is kind of the experience I've had so far with this Galaxy Fold. So 1 week in, is it expensive? It is totally expensive. It is not worth the money. Don't even waste your money considering this. This is a first gen product. It is only for people who are diehard techies. But is this something that I've enjoyed so much? And I absolutely have loved this device. I keep it in the case because that's how I use it. And basically, it's just kind of that slippery plastic typically, but showing you on the case how it looks. This is how you're going to use this phone. Let's face it, you can see how annoying the fingerprint scanner can be, but you do get used to it, and you can do quite a bit on the display like this as well. And just playing the video, there you go. And so then opening it up just gets you in a really great place for watching content. And so there you go, guys. This is just a quick overview here of my time with the Galaxy Fold. I'm loving my time with this device. Am I going to keep it long term? Well, I'll explain all that to you guys very soon. Stay tuned for the full kind of explanation of what's going on, guys, because I will be completely candid and honest with you guys. As soon as the news goes public, I will be. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions about the Galaxy Fold and how it relates to, my other experiences with phones, let me know as well. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. If you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Stay tuned, guys. I will be back soon. I will explain what's going on with all of y'all very soon. I do appreciate the support. And don't worry if you guys think that I've been arrested. No, I'm here. I'm alive. I'm well. But I will explain what is going on and what it means for the future of the channel very soon. That's it for this video, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one, guys. Take care.